Supplying power to your home or business involves a number of steps between the generating station and your meter. Events such as severe storms can cause multiple types of interruptions to electric service. When that happens, Duke Energy repairs damaged lines in a sequence that enables restoration to public health and essential facilities and to the greatest number of customers as safely and as quickly as possible. Repairing damaged lines to individual homes and businesses will not restore power until repairs are made to the larger power lines and other equipment that serve these areas. That's why repairs to home service lines are usually completed later in the restoration process, and why you may not see crews working in your neighborhood immediately. Transmission lines supply power to large numbers of customers and to sizable geographic areas. They are repaired first. Distribution substations and main distribution lines serve as critical links in our system. These also must be repaired before individual service lines can be restored. Service to essential facilities such as hospitals, law enforcement and 911 systems, and water treatment facilities is restored as quickly as possible because they are necessary to protect the health and safety of the people in the communities we serve. Repairs to distribution lines, transformers, and service lines to individual homes and businesses complete our service restoration process. Sometimes your neighbor's lights come back on while you are still without power. Not all circuits are restored at the same time, and different parts of your neighborhood may be served by different circuits or lines. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about power restoration. We appreciate your understanding and patience as we work to restore your service as quickly and as safely as possible.